Hello, and can I just be normal, like, for once? Howdy. Welcome to my channel. It is Haley here, and I hope you all are doing very well. I death glared in the camera for a second because I was confused with how I look. I still am. But I do hope you are doing well. And welcome to my 4th studio vlog. I'm not sure what we're doing. We're just doing things I'm doing this coming week. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Crazy things, I bet. I've got a cowboy hat on, so you know it. We're getting crazy and real in here. We'll see what we do. Probably won't be that crazy. I might be though. I don't know, we'll see.
Hey guys, voiceover Haley here, and this little segment of my studio vlog, I am actually setting up a new journal that I want to start. It is going to be my French journal, as you can see by the little Eiffel Tower. Sort of a little story time. My fiance and I, we both actually took French in high school. I took it for 5 years and he took it for 4 or 5, I think. And it's just a coincidence we both took it. And we went to France last year. We loved it. It was amazing. But since quarantine, we were like, hey, we should take up learning French again. And so we're both doing that. I'm doing it a little bit more than him, just so we know. I'm ahead of him. But it was so interesting last year going to France and not taking it. I haven't I'm gonna die. I haven't taken it since I was a senior or a junior in high school, and it was weird going to France and just immediately knowing everything, listening to people and understanding what they were saying and reading menus and knowing what they said. It's weird that your brain remembers things from 4 years ago and you're like, huh, that's interesting. Not even 4 years ago, 6. Yeah, 4 years ago, whatever. But it was just weird that my brain remembered that, so I thought it was cool to restart learning it, relearn it, and pick up on things. Some things are really easy to me because I already know them, and it's just a refresher, but I am learning some new things, and I needed a place to keep track of everything, write vocab I don't know, and sentences I don't know, and grammar things. So I'm just gonna keep track of all that in this little journal, and I'm really excited. As you can see, I decorated it with some washi, that little Eiffel Tower sticker, and a sticker my friend Ellen gave me. She made these little custom stickers of my face, and they are just the cutest thing ever. I'm obsessed with them. So as you could see before this, I was searching through like paper to find a little piece of paper because I wanted to make some tabs for this journal. I wanted to, I think I labeled them grammar, vocab, and practice. So you'll see me making these, but I have ripped them out since I recorded this because I don't like flipping back and forth between a notebook, like use pages in the front and then use pages in the middle. It was just a weird thing. So if the pages I did write in the middle, I already like ripped them out and moved them to the front because it feels weird. Like, what if I finish something, like what if my front gets full before the middle does and then I don't have any more room for the front things? Does that make sense? So I made these tabs for no reason, but they're there in this video, just FYI. So now I have labeled all the pages in here and I'm inserting those tabs. I think this would work good for someone who like wants to do like specific studying, but for me, I kind of like everything in the same spot. But one thing I will tell you is the Tombow Mono like glue tape is the best glue tape in the world. Tombow, if you want to sponsor me, you can, because your glue tape is amazing. And I love your brush pens, but really, if you're looking for like a really good glue tape, I totally recommend this one. It's very sticky, and I did ruin my pages taking these flags out because I didn't want to use them. But oh well, it's just a journal. Doesn't really matter. Well, we are ending my little studio vlog with a little bit of journaling. This was a spread I made the other day, and I only show you a little bit of the writing, and I didn't show you any of the making of the spread for some reason. Just wanted to show some writing, I guess. But it is nearing the end of the vlog. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and comment any more video ideas you want to see from me. I would really appreciate it. I really hope you guys are liking these studio vlogs. They're so fun to make, and I just have a lot of fun with posting on YouTube. So let me know what you want to see from me, and I'd be happy to take your suggestions and see if I can work them into filming them. But thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time. See you. Bye.